Hello, everyone. Today I went outside. It's about 23 degrees Celsius out there, and it's beautiful. Very humid, and I took a whiff of my favorite smell in the universe, wet soil. And then I took another one. Oh my God. So that brings me to something that's very important to my heart. And I think very important to humanity, even though humanity has lost somewhat uh, the consciousness around nature. We are animals. No matter how civilized we get, we are animals. And nature, we can't remove ourselves from nature. I have noticed it in myself, and I've noticed it in others. We try to remove ourselves from nature, and something very fundamental becomes missing in our lives. Um, it is important that we connect with our roots. It's funny I should say that because basically our roots are the earth. The plant's roots are in the earth. We eat the plants, and our roots are in the earth just as much as the animals, the wild animals, the tame animals. May I suggest that at least twice a week you go out and you commune with nature and see how it feels after a few months. I was lucky enough to have my beautiful dog for 13 and a half years. And for 10 of those years, I walked him almost every day, minus 40-degree weather, plus 40-degree weather. I walked him in nature. What a gift that was. And I plan to keep walking in nature, but just going outside and breathing in that beautiful, beautiful smell. Just touching the plants and listening to the birds. I really suggest you do it. Another thing I want to bring up about nature and what you can do. Now, humanity has divided the duality of good and bad. So we have good emotions and we have bad emotions. We have good energy, we have bad energy. But beyond humanity, that is not a reality. The earth knows no good or bad energy. It's just all energy. So if you're feeling bad, if there's like something in your heart or in your gut that you want to release, one way I do it is to go outside, preferably barefoot, and release all that energy through my feet into the earth. And it's a win-win situation. We feel better, and the earth absorbs our energy, which it doesn't see as negative. It just sees it as energy, and it can use it. So give that a try the next time you want to release some negative energy. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how the walks go and how the energy release goes. Have a good day.